Ready?
I'm not recording.
Huh?
Okay, don't shoot the yellow mist.
Thank you. Can I go on the catwalk on the side?
You have to be 18.
What is your YouTube channel? What is
I don't know if it's gonna go on my YouTube channel. It might go to his.
What is it?
I don't know. My YouTube channel is pretty small. I'm just a film guy. Hey. Yo, so we are at Tack City, South.
Yeah, regular force on force.
Jake is gonna help us with this. You happy, Jake? Yeah, I'm happy too. I'm going up here. Yeah, you can. Film crew. Yeah, I asked him if we could go. Basically. Well, if he tells us to get down, oh well. You guys happy? Hey, no gang signs, come on.
The peace sign.
That means fuck you in Britain.
Oh, cool. Burger.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna get lit up just by being a camera guy. We can? Told you. Yo, say hey, everyone. What's up? Y'all good? This is the rest of the field. Okay. Shit, dude, I'm almost too tall for this. If you don't know what I'm talking about, these lights are barely above my head. I'm gonna hit my head. Nope. This is the field. I hope those assholes over there don't shoot me. I love how I can zoom this.
My GoPro wasn't working. Is it not started? It was just on.
Yo, I'm gonna go this way. Well, I am recording, so I'll give you the footage.
Yeah, send it to me.
Just edit it for me, and I'll post it on my channel too.
Yeah, I have Sony Vegas Pro 12. Dude, that's just like $500, and I got it for free. Dude, this whole tax.
Yo, you gotta move! Hey, kid, you down there. Okay. This is what happens. I wish I had my microphone. Like hell. Dude, my microphone has such better sound quality than this microphone on this phone. Let's see if I can get this closer.
Hey, Sean.
You know we could go down.
Sean, can we go over here? Or is that no? Over
Are we allowed to go on the back?
Or is that no? Over here. Can we go on that or no? Alright.
Well, he just got out. Dude, you flinched.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? If you're not shooting at someone, pose for the camera. This has been barely 4 minutes. Almost 5.
This is lit.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so let's see. Oh,
You left me hanging.
What? Jake. Jake, how do you feel about this? How do you feel about this?
It's lit.
Yeah, it's lit. Until we get shot by someone.
Like 20.
I have actually shot someone by accident up here. Huh? No, I did. When I was on the tower, I popped up too fast and I shot one of the camera crew.
I thought you had a gun up there and shot
No.
someone.
So, right now, we are at Tech City South. I already said that. Dang it, the team we're on is losing. It's no fun. Oh. I like how I actually have a freaking light on this. You can walk faster, you know.
Ryan!
Come on, walk faster, man.
Boys up! 3-3's out!
How many of our teams still left? Like none, because we're not playing.
Exactly.
I mean, most of our team just runs away.
See, right about now, I'd be like sitting there and they'd still be over there and I'd be like feathering.
I know, pretty much. And I'd be over in the other corner covering our side.
I know, right? Every year.
Zoom.
Dude, I'm almost too comfortable.
Zoom. Dude, it looks like you're fucking right in front of the camera. It's hard doing this with gloves.
I know. Well,
Hold
take
this.
them off. Here, let me record a little.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think you're recording.
While he's recording, I have to take off my gloves because my phone does not like them.
Switching sides.
Yo, in one of the rounds, do you want to just go talk to people in the dead box?
For your recording.
Yeah. What?
I said for the recording, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, we need to get as much footage as possible, and we can always edit out what's bad.
Dude, I have Sony Vegas Pro 12, and that shit's like $600, but I got it for free.
What, this?
No, Sony Vegas Pro 12 is editing
Yo!
studio.
What's up, guys?
Sorry. Hey, look, Ryan! Is it tracing? Is it tracing?
What? You betrayed us.
No, when you guys are back, I can switch back to back. No, you guys should switch over to Nova. Who is that? Do it.
We like the challenge. I think your GoPro battery's dead.
I know.
Yo! You traitor! Traitor!
Back later?
You betrayed our team.
Ryan, is it tracing? Is
You
your
should have
light
brought a
tracing?
flashlight.
Yeah. I'll switch back to your guys' team after.
How dare you? Huh?
Stop. I just... Take that out.
Who?
I'm taking that out. Hey,
Dude, the
dead box
perks of
is
being
down.
up here, you
After
see everyone
once we
near
get
you.
to people in this dead box.
Huh?
A dead box is down. Hit it.
I swear, if someone shoots me in the finger and I get all bloody, I'm gonna fucking try and kill that person. Well, he's out.
Hey, try to get the speakers on there.
How's it going, bro? Dude, I've been nonstop just bugging the other team.
Hey, watch these guys again.
I don't think that's a way out.
Watch these guys for cheating.
Don't shoot me. I like how I have the grid on here, and it makes it easier to film. Sean, how old do you have to be to get a job here? What?
2 years, get a job here. Get me in for free.
How old are you?
12.
How old do you have to be to work here?
18. I said in 2 years for you.
Yeah, I'm going into the military in 2 years. Come on. Stop smoking my team while I'm... I got you, bro. I got you. We hit the 10-minute mark.
Oh shit, I forgot I wasn't really.
If you have not liked this video yet, do it now. We're counting on you.
I heard that dude with the shotgun
Huh?
shoot. I heard that guy with the shotgun shoot, and I thought it hit me.
I feel bad for him. Dude, you should have rented a rifle. Should have rented a rifle.
Rental plebs.
Da-da-da-da. I swear I'm gonna get shot. How are you doing down there? Yo, don't blind my viewers. Jesus. Hey, if we do this again later tonight, we need to bring a flashlight out.
Yeah, it's gonna be lit.
I mean, like, no, seriously, look at this. It's too dark.
Yeah.
Too dark. Lighting is horrible. Shoot me, I dare you.
Not me.
I don't trust you.
Hey, careful not to shoot us when you're up here.
Yeah. We don't feel like getting shot. That's why we're filming.
Yeah, I don't feel like getting shot. I really don't.
Move. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I know. That's why I accidentally shot someone up here because I was doing that. I was doing that and I popped up too quick and I shot the guy that was right in front of me on the tower.
That's why I tell him, because I don't feel like getting shot, or else I would have. Like right now is my best.
I know. Say. Lit, bruh.
No fair. It works, look.
It's freaking worse for lighting it. Dude, it's so dirty in here. What the heck? Dude, that thing's full of dirt. Yo, yo, yo. Come on, snipe them, boys. I'm looking at you, Rental. Don't shoot me. Hey, Jake. Jake, if you can, at the end of the game, run and get the whistle.
That's more than 10 seconds.
Yeah, you're out.
That you're both out. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh, we're gonna do this too. Hey, what's your name?
What's your name, boy?
Oh!
What?
I said these nuts.
Hey,
Savage.
dude. You have to hear all that.
Hey, what's your name? Say hi to the camera.
Come on, throw up a peace sign. There we go. There we go.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, I'm not. Oh. He was about to run into a rental. Go. Stop penguin running. Come on. Run for your life. You're about to die.
Yeah, keep sleeping.
I hit the light. Dude, I hit the light. Look at this.
Don't get mad,
No, I barely. Oh, you're still here. Come on, man. Hey, let's go to the dead box.
Yeah, but oh no, it just ended. Oh, we're gonna spend down there?
Huh?
I thought we were gonna go in the middle of a round. No?
Yeah, we were.
What do you want?
Okay, so what we're gonna do? The game's over. Let's just do a walk around of the field.
The game isn't over.
The game is. Everyone's going out.
Oh shit.
Let's just go film. Hey, let's just go talk to players in the staging room. Okay. Okay. So wow, that was a quick game. I started filming
Yeah, that was small.
before we went out into the dead box. That was barely.
Oh, yeah,
that wasn't even 14 minutes of gameplay. But then again, it's almost dinner break. So what we're gonna do right now for you guys is we're gonna go talk to the players in the staging area. I mean, whoever wants to talk to us. If not, we'll edit them out.
Clear your guns, guys. Go to dinner break. Take your mags out first.
I think you're clear, dude.
Take all the mags out of your guns, guys. Clear your guns and go to dinner break.
Yeah, hey, Jake.
I didn't know if you or Nate had one. Literally my GoPro just died as soon as I was done. You guys have, not battery charger.
I don't own one.
At least not anymore, but Nate or somebody might up front.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm just gonna ask.
Yeah, now I gotta take off my vest. Ugh, Chrono.
Dude, that was so cool.
That was fun. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go talk to people now.
Oh wait, yeah, man, they're in here.
Hi, here. Dude, when my microphone doesn't work.
What?
When my microphone isn't the best of quality, so. How was it?
It was good.
Talk louder, come on.
It was good. Except for I ran out of ammo in the middle of the game, so I was caused to leave.
That was so fun. Sean,
Okay, so, hey, Jake.
Let's
Jake,
see if I can keep using it.
Jake, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut out the camera right now, and then we're just gonna do individual interviews, and then we
check it
edit.
out mine too.
Are you
Huh?
guys
Yeah.
playing the next game?
Okay, so
No,
we're gonna be
we're gonna
doing
do it
interviews now, and we'll be
What's so fun about
back.
It's so fun.
Okay, see you guys.
We're gonna be in the freaking catalog.